Join us on an epic car camping escape during one of the hottest weekends of the year so far. We cool off with a refreshing swim in a stunning hidden waterfall, soaking in nature's beauty and the peaceful sounds of the flowing water. This simple adventure reminds us how getting outdoors, even just for a weekend, can boost well-being, reduce stress and bring a wave of positivity to life. Come along for a dose of nature, calm and inspiration. Welcome back. So we're off for a waterfall swim today at Horneyside Waterfall. It's quite busy.
Yeah, it's always having the warm, isn't it?
Yeah. But looks quite a nice one still.
Yeah.
They're the new swim tyre. Rubber ducking today. I'm pink floyding. You want to jump for you? So that is looking down onto Langsdale Valley, Great Langsdale. I think that's what it's called. But look at the views today. Beautiful. I think the sheep's hello Mr. Sheep, I think he's following us. So we're just gonna head back to the car now for some lunch, aren't we?
Nice to go out here when it's so warm.
Yeah, it is really nice. Makes such a change. So yeah, heading back to the car for some dinner. Maybe a cup of tea, a few biscuits. So we're still parked where we was last night. We decided to stay there because it was really busy today. So I think if we'd have moved out of that spot, I think we'd have had trouble finding somewhere else to park for tonight. So we've just stayed there. Yeah.
Being followed by a sheep now.
I know, I thought that. I just said that a minute ago. You want to be famous, don't you, Mr. Sheep? Ooh. I hate walking on these. These are the worst thing to walk on. So, yeah, that's true. Yeah, it's a lot easier to walk on when it's dry. Wet, they're a nightmare. Oh, look at that. It's just so picturesque. Oh, so we've arrived back to the car. First things first, get the kettle on for some food. We're starving. Yeah, it's still nice. Yeah, I'm hungry. Been really nice all day. There hasn't been a cloud in the sky. Been so warm. I think I've got burnt as well. So we've stuffed our faces now. We've had our dinner, haven't we?
Yeah.
Now we're thinking
Time for
it's going to
sleep.
be nap time.
Yeah.
Look at that view. I can't get over that view. How good that view is. So what's the temperature?
That with his temperatures, that cat.
36 inside and 27 outside. Wow.
We're not used to above 5 degrees.
I know, bloody hell. Oh. I don't even think it's going to get much. This time yesterday it started cooling down a bit, didn't it? Because I put my jumper on, but
It will cool down in another hour.
today's definitely hotter.
Yeah. Beautiful day. Not a cloud in the sky.
It isn't, no. Honestly, do you see that man there walking down there? He's nude. I'm just going to do what these vans do when they pass him. No, there's a van. They didn't do no. Obviously, not they can do, can they? They just passed him. That is the strangest thing I've seen all day. Honestly, it really is. No. They don't seem to bother though, does it? Nobody else. Maybe it's a thing.
It would, doesn't it? What can I say?
Doing a bit of steak and pasta for tea. Tomato and basil pasta. Got a couple of steaks.
Some for the big pasta, we had lamb and all.
Yeah. There's plenty of lamb about and all.
Got the meat sauce, haven't we? What's your toes? Want to squash it? It's still recording.
Yep.
Sam's happy, just seen the naked hiker.
Yeah, that's who we figured that it was. We both, well, Steve remembered. There was, he's no, you somewhat tricked your memory, didn't you? That you recalled something about the naked hiker. I was like, oh yeah.
Not like
I think he's been in trouble as well. The sun's just disappeared behind the mountain now, so it gets dark real quick.
Right.
So that's it. We've got tea served out tonight. Like I say, it's just a bit of steak, a bit of pasta with some hummus.
And what a banoffee.
And some cracker breads. Yeah, that's what I'm looking forward to. Banoffee pie. We'll bring you back at pie time. What time is it?
It's pie o'clock.
Ooh.
That's half. Big half, a little half.
No, little half. Wax looks a bit sloppy. It's all melted.
Just look it in belly quick. Oh God, minute.
You're full on with the etiquette, aren't you?
I am.
That'll do. I'll have heartburn to death.
I might tub. Right, proud.
Oh dear. Right, we're off. I'll eat this.
Saves washing up, doesn't it?
It does look nice, to be fair. Settled down now in Hotel Picasso. We're all in our sleeping bags because the temperature's dropped quite a bit tonight and it's a bit chilly, isn't it?
Yeah.
So, and I think because we're sunburnt as well, you do feel cold more, don't you, when you've got a sunburn?
Yeah.
So tonight's film is Steve's finally got his way. A good old western is The Good, the Bad, the Ugly. We'll do it our usual, lights out. Good night, everybody. So that's it, guys, for this video. I hope you've enjoyed it. It's been a lovely weekend. We've had
Glorious weather.
Yeah, it's
For
been
a change.
I know, it's been red hot, hasn't it?
Not used to, are we?
No.
You'll get sub-zero.
No. Tropical weekend.
And warm water.
Yeah, I know. That's the most weirdest thing, that how the water's been so warm. We've just like hugged it, haven't we?
Yeah.
We've just stayed in like ages.
14 degrees and normally it's what, 4 degrees.
So yeah, we're off home now. So we'll see you in our next video, hopefully. See you later. Bye.
Thanks, bye then.